Hello, I'm Dr. Saida Rukshida. I'm a psychiatrist and I'm based in Mumbai, India. Today, we have stars meet heroes. Our heroes are these young resident doctors that are shouldering the entire health sector burden on their shoulders for during the COVID pandemic, and their lives were miserable enough before, but now the pandemic has added a whole new level of misery to them. So just for that, we thought that okay, let's when they're taking a little bit of break on their break time, we're going to make them work and come and talk to us. So there's no rest for them even when they're on a break. And hang on, wait, I have one more doctor that was going to come in, and okay, now we have all the participants now. And yes, so whoever joined in the last one, I think we have a special kind of doctor today, apart from all the other resident doctors of the BMC and government hospitals. Can you introduce yourself?
Hello, I'm Dr. Saad Ahmed. I'm based in Mumbai. I'm currently practicing otorhinolaryngology, ENT from KM Hospital. I'm the first year resident out here.
Hello, Saad. Welcome.
Thank you. Thank
Who's
you for
next?
having us here.
Hi, I'm Gaurav. I'm first year medicine resident working in Sion Hospital. I am based in Pune. I am here since a year now.
Welcome, Gaurav.
Thank you.
Who do we have next?
Hi, this is Dr. Deepali Shamsundar Patil. I am first year medicine resident, currently working in Nair Hospital.
Hi, Deepali.
Hi.
Yes, who else wants to join us today? Let's see. Aur kaun bakra mila hai humko aaj?
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Tushti Kumari, second year medicine resident working in Nair Hospital. Hi everyone.
Tushti, how are you?
Good.
Right. So anybody else that we left out?
Hello, I am Dr. Abu Tahir Sheikh, third year medicine resident working in Sion Hospital. I am based in Mumbai. Hello.
Hi, Abu. All
Hello.
right. So is that...
I'm remaining.
Ma'am. Yes.
Hello, this is Dr. Rohan Jain. I am a second year psychiatry resident, currently practicing at Nair Hospital. And I am all the way from Rajasthan. So since past 2 years, I am in Mumbai. So good to see you all.
Welcome, Rohan. Thank you so much. And Rohan has been especially nice to me, trying to get me a lot of doctors to interact with and talk with. And like I said, add to their misery already. All right, so now we are here, all accounted for, but I think we have a special doctor here and he's feeling a little shy. So let me just see whether I can urge him to kind of join us now. Yes.
Hello.
Yay!
Hi.
Yay!
Hi.
Hello. And I'm Doctors. I'm Dilka Doctor. That's what Nitin said.
Oh, really true.
Quite a few years back in one of the films. So I'm pretty much looking like how he looked back then. So yeah, that's the reason I sang that song. Anyways, guys, lovely to have you here. It's so good to see all of you, all our heroes.
So good to see you too, sir.
Thank you. Just call me Shreyas, please. Just call me Shreyas. I'm like hardly 18, maybe, I'll be turning 19 next after 2 years. So
You look like 16 though.
Hey, I love you, Saad. I don't know if that laughter was really a mean laughter or a genuine laughter.
You can't figure that out.
Take it the way you want.
Okay.
You're a public figure. You cannot hide your age.
I think we all need your haircut.
Yeah, I'm sure. I decided it for a really long time, so I thought might as well. I just मैंने अपने आपको बीवी के हाथ में सौंप दिया और फिर बीवी ने जो उसे पसंद था वो कर दिया. So, but I am quite enjoying this right now. I've never tried it, so I've tried it for the first time. But anyways, yeah, I really wanted to congratulate all of you. Great stuff. Seriously, we cannot thank you guys enough for whatever you guys are doing. And it's really tough. हम लोग घर पे बैठे मतलब न्यूज़ खाली पढ़ते रहते हैं, but आप लोग on ground वहाँ पे जो कर रहे हो, उसके लिए big salute to all of you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
I'm sure you guys know this also by now that once this is over and once the lockdown is whatever over and once we start working again, you guys know, right, that there are going to be a lot of films being made on doctors.
Yeah.
I hope they cast
There are
us.
going to be, exactly my point, brother. You should start, thinking what you're going to be charging for the rights that you give to all of them. They're going to, all sorts of filmmakers will come to all sort of, because right now we're looking for true stories. अभी हम लोग के ऊपर फिल्म वालों में ट्रू स्टोरीज का भूत हम पे सवार है. तो अभी कोरोना के बाद हम सारे डॉक्टर्स को वी आर गोइंग टू बी हाउंडिंग देम. आप बताओ आपकी कहानी बताओ, और फिर हम उसमें थोड़ा मसाला ऐड करके वो एक प्लेट पेश करेंगे आपके सामने. तो वैसे आप सबके ऊपर कुछ फिल्में बनने वाली होगी. तो सॉरी
स्क्रिप्ट्स आए सर आपके पास?
आप लेके आओ, बिल्कुल यार, हम तो तैयार बैठे. बट मैं ये जानना चाहता हूँ कि अगर सपोज आपके ऊपर फिल्म बनी तो आप मुझे इंडिविजुअली बताइए कि आप कौन कौन चाहेंगे आपका रोल पोर्ट्रे करे, एंड जस्ट बी वेरी कैंडिड एंड ऑनेस्ट अबाउट इट. Who would you like to play your part on screen if there's a film being made on you?
आयुष्मान खुराना.
Okay. वो एक्चुअली ना कभी ज्यादा डिफेक्ट किसी में हो तो वैसा
हमारा हेल्थ केयर काफी डिफेक्टिव है.
नहीं, but Ayushman is a great choice. Okay.
I'd like Vicky Kaushal.
Vicky Kaushal, yeah, you pretty much, you have a face like Vicky Kaushal. Okay.
And I am during this lockdown have gone all South Indian buff, so watching all Telugu, Tamil movies, Malayali movies. So there is one Fahad Fasil. Fahad Fasil is a new actor.
Fahad Fasil.
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah, he's very good, pretty good. Yeah.
Lovely. So Ayushman, so I have to get in touch with, I should take Ayushman's dates and then Vicky Kaushal and then Fahad Fazil as well. And how about the girls?
I want Deepika Padukone.
Okay, Deepika Padukone. I'm sure she's going to be more than happy. Yeah, Deepika Padukone.
I know this is too overconfident, but I want to give audition myself for the role.
Yeah!
I don't want to leave it.
Yeah, we have an actress.
Chance to be in the movies.
You know what? This is your chance. We are recording it. Go ahead. Give your audition right now.
Exactly.
Screen time.
Give your audition right now.
Sir, you have to produce it. You have to produce it then.
I promise I will produce it.
We already have a director amongst us, Dr. Sayeda.
Yeah.
Oh no, you guys don't know, but Shreyas is a wonderful producer and he's also directed movies.
Yeah.
No, but the director today is Rukshida. So, all right. Deepali, yes, go ahead. Deepali, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Yes. Okay, Deepali, you want to act out something for us? Anything?
Yeah, I can. I mean, oh God, yes.
Oh, lovely. Go for it. Yes. Okay, I'll just say action. All right.
So, okay.
I'll say lights, camera, sound, and action, and then you go for it. All right. So you want to give a brief about what you're going to be playing?
No, like right now, I don't know what I'm going to perform. I'm a very big Bollywood fan, but
lovely. Chalo, bindas, on the spot, spontaneous. All right, Deepali, here you go.
On Deepali.
Roll sound, lights, camera, and action.
कैसी बेदर्द दुनिया है ये, ना जीने देती है और ना मरने देती है. कोरोना ने क्या किया है हमारे साथ, रात की नींद और दिन का चैन छीन लिया है. ओ हो, प्लीज कोई तो रोक लो, कोई तो इस महामारी को निकाल दो. कब मैं वो चैन की सांस ले पाऊंगी, मुंबई की इन खुली सड़कों पे घूम पाऊंगी. That's it. I don't know what I did.
Oh, that was so awesome. That was really, really awesome. Very nice.
Good job.
Very nice.
So I'm just going to quickly take a minute and introduce to us Akshay Kavadia. He's a young doctor and he's joining us. Hopefully he can get the audio and the video in. He just got discharged from the COVID hospital where he was admitted because he was positive. He's a first-year resident from KEM Hospital. So Akshay, if you can join us, and yes, please say hi to everybody.
Hi, Akshay.
Yeah. Yeah, Akshay, go
Yeah,
on.
Akshay, hi.
Hi.
Hi, how are you feeling, brother?
I'm good. I'm good now. I just got my swab done today, so I'm negative, and most likely I'll be discharged right now.
Wow, great.
Great, that's great news.
Congratulations.
Yay!
I'm waiting for the ambulance right now. Ambulance will be shifting back to KM, I guess.
Nice, buddy.
Oh, okay. Okay, where are you from, Akshay?
I'm from Pune originally. Actually, I'm working at KM right now. I'm working in medicine department at KM, and originally I'm from Pune. I've come here to pursue my higher education for like 3 years right now.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
So Akshay,
So
how
Akshay,
long how long were you
Waiting.
admitted, Akshay?
So I was tested positive on 17th, and I got admitted on the 17th itself. So today is day 6, and my swab was negative today. So then I've been discharged today, and I have symptoms I had symptoms earlier, and now my symptoms have been like they've resolved right now. So then I've been discharged.
Okay. That's good to know. Good to know you're better, my friend.
Yeah.
Good to have you here with us.
I'm
So
happy
Akshay,
about that.
we were just discussing films. You know, I was just telling everyone that अभी इसके बाद में डॉक्टर्स के ऊपर ढेर सारी फिल्में बनने वाली है. You know, तो आप भी हाँ?
आप भी
क्या?
स्टार बन जाना.
तो मैं प्रोड्यूसर होने वाला हूँ. मैं सबकी फिल्में मैं प्रोड्यूस करने वाला हूँ. तो अभी तक तो मैंने आयुष्मान खुराना, विक्की कौशल, दीपिका पादुकोण इनको लॉक कर लिया है, और दीपाली को भी लॉक कर लिया, क्योंकि दीपाली अपने फिल्म में खुद काम करने वाली है. तो आप बताइए, आप खुद काम करना चाहेंगे, आप कौन सा एक्टर चाहेंगे आपका रोल प्ले करे?
मेरा आप रोल प्ले कर दीजिए, बस आप ही रोल प्ले कर.
अरे ये देख दोस्त, थोड़ा टाइम लगने वाला है तेरा रोल प्ले करने में. तेरा बहुत घना जंगल है.
एक और लॉकडाउन लगेगा.
So who all were, you know, involved in any kind of dramatics or acting or per se? आप में से कोई ऐसा involved था? College level पे, school level पे वगैरह?
Yeah, short films and all, drama. Yeah.
I do drama in real life. That counts.
Queen.
That also counts. Now everything counts.
I was not involved in drama, but I have written some shairis.
अरे क्या बात है, शायर. मैं शायर तो नहीं, मगर हंसी जब से देखा हो जाए.
So I have written one shairi for this lockdown and social distancing.
इरशाद.
रोशन रहेगा घर भी मेरा आफताब जितना, कुछ हवाओं को मैं चरागों से दूर रखता हूँ. रोशन रहेगा घर भी मेरा आफताब जितना, कुछ हवाओं को मैं चरागों से दूर रखता हूँ. जहर भर दिया है कुदरत ने मुझ में इतना, तेरी सलामती के खातिर खुद ही को दूर रखता हूँ.
क्या बात है दोस्त.
Nice one.
Wow, that was pretty deep, dude. Allah, that was very deep, यार. बहुत अच्छे. मैं ना हमेशा कोशिश करता हूँ कि मैं भी कुछ लिखूं, लेकिन साला ये टैलेंट मुझ में नहीं है. जो हम लोग जो लिखा हुआ है हम लोग बोल सकते हैं, लेकिन ऐसा कुछ लिखना, अब हवाओं को दूर रखो, अपने को दूर रखता हूँ, मेरे को तो लाइफ में कभी ऐसा पॉसिबल नहीं होगा ऐसा लिख. So anyways, guys, who are your like favorite actors, actresses, and you know, who is that dude that you really want to meet, talk about, or you want to gossip about, that you want to bitch about? You know, I'm sure you guys hear a lot more stories about the film industry than we do.
Shreyas, we'd like you to tell us the gossip.
Yeah.
The thing is, I'm married, and at the same time, I was dating. And did you get that?
Nice one.
I didn't get it.
Yeah, you're the first ones. You're the first ones that I told you about. So the day I got married, I started dating, and 2 of them. Okay, so that's my gossip for you. Okay, now I want to hear some more gossip from you guys now.
Sir,
So Akshay,
you ever thought
Sorry?
of being a doctor?
sorry, what?
You ever thought of being a doctor when you were a kid or you were in your school time and all?
Yes, but my parents got scared of the fees and they said, forget it.
Okay.
No, see, you know, when you're growing up, obviously each one. I used to keep thinking about many things. So when I would see a lawn tennis player, like someone like a Boris Becker, I wanted to be like Boris Becker. When I saw a serial like Fauji, I wanted to be like Shah Rukh Khan. When I saw something else, I wanted to be something else, you know. But then I realized that if I want to be so many things, there's only one profession that, you know, will allow me to be everything.
Which can be
At some point in
everything.
time.
Yeah.
It's acting. So I decided to join this, you know, and I loved acting.
But-
I loved being on stage.
But ever you thought of any particular specialty? If ever you have been a doctor, as in घुटनों का, दिमाग का, पेट का, दिल का.
I think Gynec.
Oh,
Yeah, it is the evergreen branch.
sir, it only sounds good. It is not good. It is worse. Ask us, it is worse. One night in labor room and you will come to me. One night in labor room and you will come to me.
बहुत जोर लगाना पड़ता है.
I'd agree to it. I'd agree to Dr. Rohan saying.
जोर का झटका धीरे से लगे.
Thank God we don't have anybody from Gynec here. We don't have anybody from
We don't have anyone from Gynec because they are busy.
Exactly. They are delivering.
They are delivering.
They are going to be really busy this year. This year
Yeah,
they're going to be really tight.
Yeah, sure.
True.
Oh, lovely. Superb.
And
Yeah,
they are going
so-
to be busy, sir, for next 9 months or so. They are going to be busy, very
Yeah,
busy because of lockdown.
So yeah, I was saying something and I forgot.
Yeah, you being an actor.
Yeah, so I thought I'll be an actor, you know, why not? And but yeah, there is this one psychiatrist that I once played on screen
Wow.
some time back, and the film really didn't do that well. It was way back in 2006. So it was a negative part that I tried for the first time. The film was okay. So that was my only brush with playing a doctor on screen. But now, like I said, you know, I would really, and I'm sure there are going to be, because post corona हमारी फिल्में भी, you know, directly indirectly ये COVID corona
True.
ये फिल्मों में आएगा ही आएगा. So
Yeah.
obviously there's going to be a lot of hospitals and doctors and those kind of roles that we'll have. So I'm hoping, you know, if I get a chance to play, I know where to go now for my homework and for my groundwork.
You will play a gynecologist role? Is it?
Yeah, considering that is what I've
Method
been wanting to. Method acting. Yes, realistic cinema.
You're getting scripts now for such movies.
Not yet, but now because right now all of us are pretty confused. You know कि अभी क्या करें इसके बाद में जब फिल्में हम लोग करेंगे तो कैसी फिल्में करेंगे, क्या करेंगे, शूट कैसे करेंगे. फिलहाल तो शूटिंग का ही पता नहीं, कुछ अता पता नहीं है कि शूटिंग में कितने लोग अलाउ करेंगे. हमारे यहाँ तो हीरो और हीरोइन को तो साथ में आना ही पड़ेगा ना दोस्त. दूर 6 फीट के डिस्टेंस पे हीरोइन के साथ रोमांस कैसे करूंगा.
मास्क पहन के.
I guess वो नजदीक आने वाला फंडा तो अभी हमें digitally, you know, computer graphics से करना पड़ेगा. So we are also still trying to wonder and figure out how to do things. But yeah, I'm sure, you know, all of us will come out of it. We are, and thanks to, you know, you guys have been huge inspiration to all of us. So we'll figure out a way. right now the thing is कि आपका भार कैसे कम करे ये हमें पता नहीं. हम वाकई में there are so many of us who keep discussing कि यार कैसे help करें और क्या करें. But again, you know, उतना स्पेशलाइजेशन हमारा नहीं है, उतनी हमें समझ नहीं है आप जितनी, तो हम कुछ नहीं कर. तो इट्स बेटर कि हम फिर चुपचाप घर पे बैठे रहे, एटलीस्ट आप पे वो बोझ नहीं बढ़ाए. So ऐसा है सारा मामला. But yeah, tell me, is there any message that you want to
you have at your home?
Sorry, I have my wife and my little kid. She's 2 years old, and my in-laws are also here. So they usually stay in Thane, but just before the lockdown, they also came down and stayed with us. So they are here.
Your wife is really cute.
Us, you know,
I have a huge crush on ma'am. She's really
cute.
Yeah.
I will see her again today and see if I...
she's really cute. Trust me.
if I you know, somewhere similar reactions, then I'll agree with you. I'll call you again and tell you, okay, what you said was right. You know, you have to live with her to actually understand her. The cuteness in the looks, and the looks can be deceptive, my friend.
Oh, whatever.
You know how Rukshida is a taskmaster. She's exactly like that. She's also a taskmaster. ये काटे नहीं है, ये सारे झड़ गए.
Yes. I just want to remind you that this is getting recorded, and your wife is going to get access to this recording. Very careful.
I almost forgot about that. Thank you, Rukshita. Thank you so much. I'm going to be editing this part. I'll edit this part. I'll show it to her.
Cheating, sir. You can't do it.
Yeah, there are a lot of witnesses also, but it's okay. I'll manage that also. Yeah.
But the thing is, I have the recordings. If you want certain things edited, then I'm the one you're going to have to bribe one way or the other.
Rukshida, you're a dear friend, Rukshida. Rukshida, you remember how she had fought with you a couple of days back? Just keep that in your mind and give me the recording.
I remember the chicken biryani she sent me, so I'm going to keep that in mind.
Yes, sir. Okay. Tell ma'am that she's cute. Then I will be fine.
She's really pretty.
Yeah, I'll tell her for sure. But anyways, guys, it was really lovely chatting with all of you. And I hope we get to do this again after some time, you know, because I'm sure you guys are busy right now. But I'm okay chatting. I don't know. I just wanted to figure out if you guys are busy or you have the time to chat. Is everything okay?
Well, I think, I think like you said that everybody's busy and they kind of have to keep going back. And we already lost Akshay to discharging duties, and he's off back to the hospital in his ambulance. So I just, if everybody has like a last goodbye or a message or, I love you to send to somebody, now's your chance.
Yeah, is there anything else that you want to convey to anyone from the film industry? You should.
No, actually,
if you want to chat with anybody else, just say it. And brother, वो शायरी किसने बोली थी? मैं उनका sorry, उनका नाम मुझे ठीक से अबू. यार आप बहुत अच्छे शायर हो यार, वाकई में. मतलब you should also consider writing some lyrics, हमारी फिल्मों में आप बहुत अच्छा लिखते हो वाकई में. तो अगर वैसा कुछ जरूरत पड़े तो can I get in touch with you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because वाकई में it's pretty deep, yeah, what you wrote. So I really liked it. I really liked it.
So do I get a finder's fee?
No, Rukshida, you just get one more plate of biryani.
No, but you can't cook it. Deepti has to cook it. I don't want your chicken biryani.
I'll bribe her because I have to stay with her, you see.
All right. So thank you very much. Shreyas, you've been lovely. You've been more than lovely, spending so much time with us and, trying to make us laugh a little bit. And I hope more people like you who are really interested in helping the mental health and helping reduce the burden of our young soldiers and saviors here do join in and do help us out a little bit. I know these are very few that we are reaching out to, but they are representative of thousands of young doctors out there in their early and mid 20s. No matter what we say, it's not enough to thank these guys, and their work is not done yet. They're going to continue to be working in these circumstances. Thank you so much, Shreyas, and just one lovely parting message from you.
No, is there anything that you guys want to say? Because
I'd like
like
to
I
say.
said, yes, please.
I'd like to
awareness.
Yes.
Tata.
Awareness.
Thank the Ratan Tata team and himself. He's being a great help to us, providing food, to providing services, to providing stay at his hotels. And I think he's our new savior in this. He's the savior of the doctors.
Godfather.
Yeah, true.
Godfather.
Official Godfather.
He is.
So if
No,
one of
no
you
doubt
could convey my message to him, I'll be grateful to you too.
No, we will do it. We will definitely do it. Definitely. And he's been, he's a hero. Whatever he's doing, it is just unimaginable. So we will, whatever we can, in whichever form we can convey, we'll definitely convey it to him.
Even I would like to give one message to the society.
Yes.
That, these people are looking down upon the patients of COVID-19. तो इसके वजह से they are actually presenting late to the hospitals. They are not ready to take treatment at the earliest. So because of this, we are seeing many people losing their lives. So I would like to, through you, I would like to tell to the society that they should not look down upon these members. And they should support them emotionally, because it is just a disease and not a crime. Because of this, they are suffering, and even the colony members, they are not ready to take the relatives back to the colony. I have seen these incidences in my hospital, so I would like you to convey to the people and your fans.
Yeah, so actually we are constantly trying to spread awareness about everything, but if it comes from someone like you, it will spread like anything. So we like you can just help us out in that way, because all fraternity wants that all the awareness, as soon as it reaches anyone, then the treatment will initiate fast.
True, sir.
Definitely.
That upcoming movies will be based on doctors. So hopefully, if any such movie comes of this sort, then might have some impact on people.
Hopefully
exactly.
Hopefully we'll be able to reduce the taboo behind the contagious disease. And that is the message the society needs.
No, you're absolutely right. Even I still remember we were kids. जब ये even AIDS के बारे में जो था ना कि यार सबको ऐसा लग रहा था अरे पता नहीं क्या है छू लिया तो हो जाएगा. Anyways, but similarly, there's a huge taboo associated with corona also. And what you guys are saying is absolutely right. So we've been trying to do that through various means, but we'll keep doing our part, because आप लोग continuous अपना काम कर रहे हैं, हम लोग भी अपना continuous से काम करेंगे, and we'll try to spread this message as much as possible and to as many as possible.
Thank you so much.
Thank you guys. Thank you. Lovely talking to you. Wishing you all the best to continue with your fight, and इतना तो हम लोग कर ही लेंगे. इससे ज्यादा अगर कुछ करना है तो please let us know, बेझिझक let us know, and we'll always be there for you.
Actually this session was a stress buster. We all are somewhat in a bit middle of something, so thanks to you.
Thank you so much.
No. You don't have to thank
a movie
me.
dialogue of yours from yourself.
Okay. Have you guys seen Golmaal again?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll say the Sundri wala dialogue.
Yeah.
So this is Ajay Devgan on my lap. सुंदरी है गोपू, सुंदरी, अपनी गली की डॉगी सुंदरी। मैंने कितनी बार बोला है, भूत वूत कुछ नहीं होता, गोपू प्लीज टेक। जैसे क्रिसमस में सब लोग बोलते हैं ना, संता आएगा, संता आएगा, सबको पता है घंटा आएगा।
Nice, thanks, Shreyas.
So yeah, but I'll keep doing some more stuff with you. You know, I'll tell Rukshida we can connect again whenever you have some time. Just tell Rukshida and we'll connect maybe for 5, 10, 15 minutes, whatever. We'll chat on whatever you want to chat and we'll take it forward. All right.
Yeah,
Lovely
sure.
talking to you guys. Yeah, thank you so much.
Yes,
Keep
sir.
fighting.
Thank you, sir.
All the
Thank
best.
you so
All the
much,
best
sir.
to you.
Yeah.
Thank you so
Bye.
much.
Thank you,
Bye.
Shreyas.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Bye, sir.
Thank you so much
Bye.
to our star, and thank you so much to our heroes. It was a lovely, lovely half an hour that we spent with each other. And here's wishing all of you guys health and all of you guys safety, and all of us hopefully normalcy returns soon. And see you guys next time. Bye.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
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 Hello.
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 Hi.
So,
Hello.
So,
Don't respond. The hello is not for you. The hello is for the
Okay.
audience. So
okay.
don't say anything.
Everyone, please keep
What I said.
keep mute.
I thought this was going to be a fun chat. I didn't know Rukshida was going to be one.
I'm
Stop
doing
it,
this for the
director.
first time, so you have to be nice to me and you have to listen to me.